Imagine this. A cute little 2D cartoon kid is just standing there, minding his own business, when his nose starts to twitch. You know what's coming next, right? He lets out the most epic, earth-shattering sneeze you've ever seen. But this isn't just any sneeze. Oh no, this one is so powerful it launches him like a rocket. He zooms across the entire town at super speed. We are talking motion blur, dynamic speed lines, the whole shebang. Buildings and trees just become a colorful streak as he blasts past. Finally, he skids to a halt in a classic superhero landing pose, leaving a trail of smoke and dust. He looks up, wide-eyed, and with a shaky voice, he says, "I'm too powerful." What do you think happens next? Let me know your ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative prompts. Thanks for watching.